Registered sex offenders just won a court victory. For years, they were not allowed to live near schools and parks, but all of that's about to change. News Channel 3's Tracy Laird joins us live from Santa Barbara tonight. And Tracy, a sex offender sued claiming the ban goes too far, and the court agreed.
That's right. For the past 8 years, Jessica's Law prohibited registered sex offenders from living at schools where children are and also at playgrounds and parks where children play. And this is about to change that by the summer. The state Supreme Court ruled that the ban preventing all types of registered sex offenders from living near parks and schools is unconstitutional. The ruling that initially applied to parolees in San Diego County will soon apply statewide. That's not something one new grandmother wanted to hear.
And I don't think any sex offender, regardless of whether they're a pedophile or not, should be allowed to live near schools or anywhere around children whatsoever.
But an attorney known for representing survivors of child molestation says the old ban didn't always make children safer.
I'm more concerned with being able to identify sexual predators. And if someone goes off the grid, so to speak, because they become homeless because of this law, then I think the change is a positive thing if it reverses that trend.
The Santa Barbara County Sheriff's Office issued a statement saying the ruling does not change the fact that these individuals will still be required to register as sex offenders with local law enforcement, and said it will not apply to violent predators. Hale suggests people check the Megan's Law website to know more about their neighbors.
Our history with these kind of cases is that the vast majority of offenders are people that the victim knew. So that's why it's so important that these men be identifiable and that they not, so to speak, go off the grid.
Parole agents can still force sex offenders to live more than 2,000 feet from schools and parks, but they will have to make their decisions on a case-by-case basis. Now, officers will be reviewing about 6,000 cases in the next 2 months, and you can read reaction from Santa Barbara County's District Attorney Joyce Dudley on our website at KYT.com. In Santa Barbara, Tracy Laird, News Channel 3.
All right, thank you, Tracy. The Isla